Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Children, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Okay, so children, I hope you have settled with literacy skill book. Yes, because in the previous session, which content we have learned, that is from literacy skill book. Okay, so today also we are going to learn same content, which is these and those. Okay, so children, in the previous session we have learned these and those. Yes, when we use these, the things which is near to us, okay, things or people which is near to us, that time we should use these. But similarly, the things are or the group of people or any situation which is far from us, that time we should use THOSE, those word. Okay, so these and those, these are in a plural form. Okay, so these two words we use in a plural form. So whenever we are using these and those, we should use ARER, this helping verb. Okay, similarly when we are using this and that, it is in singular form. These two words are in a singular form. So that time, which helping word we should use? Yes, is. Okay, now children, take your book and come to page number 5858. Okay, these and those, page number 5858. We THESE, these, AND and THOSE, those. We use these for things or people near to us. We use those for things or people far from us. These are the examples. These are toys. Can you see? These are oranges. Things are far from us. That time we should use those. Those are toys. Those are oranges. Okay children. Now come to page number 5858. Come to page number 5858. Afterwards, come to page number 5959. Have you opened this page? Take your pencil, sharp your pencil. Now see, this is one practice sheet. Fill in the blanks using these and those. Repeat after me. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using these and those. Okay, now children, see, can you see this girl? What she is having in her hand? What these are the balloons. What it is? These are the balloons. So how she will going to explain? How she is going to describe? These are balloons आएगा या फिर those are balloons आएगा? Okay, now tell me one thing. Let me clear one thing. The balloons are far from her or near to her? Near. Very nice. So the things are near to us. That time which word we should use? Yes, very good. Those. So write here. Sorry, these. So write here THESE. Write the spelling of these. THESE. These are balloons. Balloons are in her hand, right? So those are near to her. It is in her hand already. So she is saying these are balloons. Repeat after teacher. These are balloons. These are balloons. Okay. Now next example. Can you see this boy? Yes. And in this boy's hand, in this boy hand, what it is there? His hand, what it is there? This is these are grape. Only one grape is there? No. Bunch of grapes is there, right? So these are the grapes. So what he is describing here? What he will say? These are grapes or those are grapes? Yes, why? Because the grapes are, it is in his hand, it is near to him. So that time what we should use? Those or these? These, yes, very nice. So write here THESE. These are grapes. Repeat after teacher. These are grapes. These are balloons. These are balloons. These are grapes. These are grapes. Yes, till here have you understood? Okay. Now come to next examples. Can you see these birds, children? Okay. Now children, if you will see in this picture, the birds are near to this girl or far from this girl? Can you see this? She is pointing here. Yes. And she is saying dash dash are birds. So children, what will come here? These will come or those will come? Tell me. And number of birds are more. So we are going to use helping verb, which is are. So which word will come? These or those? Those. Very nice. Right here THOSE. Those. And why we are using this those? Come on, tell me. Why we are using this those? Because the quantity of birds are more and those birds are far from this girl. So she is saying those are birds. Those are birds. Okay, repeat after teacher. Those are birds. Those are birds. Okay, come to next picture. Yes, see children, she is pointing here and what she is saying? What are these? These are the monkeys. And what she is saying? These are monkeys or those are monkeys? Those are monkeys. Yes, because they are far from this girl. So she is saying those are monkeys. जो monkeys है उसके पास में है क्या? उस girl के पास में है? उस लड़की के पास में है क्या? No. कहाँ है? दूर है. Far from that girl. So she is saying those are monkeys. Those are monkeys. Those are monkeys. Then what is the spelling of those? Come on, tell me the spelling. Yes, THOSE. Very good. Those are monkeys. Repeat after teacher. Those are monkeys. Yes. Now repeat one more time. Same. THESE. These. ARER. BALL. OONS. Balloons. These are balloons. These are balloons. THESE. These. ARER. GRAPES. Grapes. These are grapes. These are grapes. Okay. Next, come here. THOSE. 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 ARER. BIRDS. Birds. Those are birds. Those are birds. Next, THOSE. 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 ARER. YS, monkeys. Those are monkeys. Those are monkeys. Okay, till here have you understood? Now children, take your workbook. Take your workbook and come to page number 2323. Yes? Have you opened this page, all of you? Okay, I hope you have opened this page. Take your workbook and come to page number 2323. Okay? Yes. Now children, these and those. Here is one worksheet is there which we are going to solve. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using these or those. What we are going to do, children? Here are some examples. Okay? And we are going to solve this example. Now children, if you will see in this picture, this is a girl. Okay? And here is one tree. Which, can you see this apple? In this tree, apples are there. Yes. Now she is pointing there. What she is doing? She is pointing to that tree and she is saying कि यहाँ पर apples है. So tell me, which word we should use? These or those? And if you will see one more thing, the tree is far from her. Okay, the tree which is far from her. So the people or things far from us, that time which word we should use? चीजें हमसे बहुत दूर है, तब हमें कौन सा word use करना है? These word use करना है या those? Those. Very nice. Right here. THOSE. THOSE. Those are apples. What she is saying? Those are apples. Okay? Those, repeat after teacher. Those are apples. THOSE, those. ARER, APPLES, apples. Those are apples. Those are apples. Yes? Now come to next picture. Okay? If you will see children, she is pointing here. Can you see this bucket? Yes, can you see this basket? What she is saying? यहाँ पर apples है. कहाँ है? यहाँ पर है. माने उसके पास में है. नज़दीक है. So, the things are near to us. Okay, I am talking about near. That time what we are going to use? These or those? These. Very nice. So what she is saying? These are apples. Apples उसके बहुत पास में है, नज़दीक में है. So she is saying these are apples. Those are apples. Okay, these are apples because these apples are near to me. But those are apples. Why I am saying those? Because those apples are far from me. Okay, so write here THE these. Say THESE, these. Put your finger there. THESE, these. ARER, APPLES, apples. These are apples. These are apples. Yes? Come to next picture. Can you see, children, what he is showing? What is in his hand? Flowers or leaf? Flowers. Yes, very nice. So, children, tell me, the flowers are near or far to this boy? Near. So, what we are going to use here? These or those? चीजें हमारे पास में है, तब हमें क्या यूज करना है? Yes, very nice. These are flowers. Flowers उसके हाथ में है ना? He is showing. Can you see these flowers? He is showing those flowers. It is in his hand. So he is saying THE. Come on, write THESE. 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 ARE. FLOWERS. Flowers. These are flowers. These are flowers. Also we can say this. These are flowers. Okay. Come next to the picture. Come to next picture. Now see, children. Can you see this girl? She is here. And if you will see, yes, can you see this tree? And these are the flowers. Okay. Now children, tell me, this girl is near or far from this tree? This girl is near or far from this tree? She is pointing here. Can you see the difference? Here also difference. Can you see? And here these because these things are near to them. And if you will see in this picture, the things are distant, in far. So what we should use here? These or those? She is saying वो flowers है. Yes. So those are flowers or these are flowers? क्या आएगा? Yes. चीजें हमसे दूर है. Far from us. That time what we should use? Those are flowers. Very nice. Right here. THOSE. 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 ARER. FLOWERS. Flowers. THOSEARE. Those are FLOWERS. Flowers. Those are flowers. Those are flowers. Okay. So children, I hope till here you understood. Yes, which content today we have learned? We have learned these and those. Also we have solved 2 practice sheets. And children, I hope you understand today's content. Children, there are some more content in our literacy subject which we are going to learn in coming sessions. Okay. I hope you understand today's session and we are concluding over here. Okay. So we'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye.